Hey guys, Miscellaneous James here today. Just wanted to go over the imaging of the Bridge SD card. So I think a lot of us think this is hard, and it's really not. It's pretty straightforward. These guys have done a really good job of making this an easy package to update. So I will post all the links down in the description. So let's just walk through this real quick. First of all, you're going to want to go to the Bridge X website, and you're going to want to download 3 pieces of software. And you're going to need to do one thing to your SD card. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is go to the Bridge X website. I'll post this link down at the bottom. If you scroll down slightly, you're going to need software piece number 1 is 7-zip. You click this link, takes you to this website, download whichever one you want, 64-bit, 32-bit, install it. Pretty straightforward. Next piece you're going to need is Etcher. If you see this link right here, it says downloading and flashing Bridge X image. Click on that. You go down here and it says using Etcher. So this link right here takes you to the Etcher website. It will automatically detect your operating system. You simply download that, install it, and you have Etcher. So that's software piece number 2. The last piece you're going to need is the Bridge image itself. This link right here did not work for me. It took me to this website. It says site cannot be reached, so I had to Frankenstein the web address. But once I did, and I'll post this link down at the bottom, you can simply go to the Bridge Images website. You scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see that the latest image link is right here. You just simply add this here to the end of this address, and you hit enter and it starts to download. Once you have that, this file right here is roughly about 3.2 gigabytes long. Once you have that started, I'd recommend you walk away from the machine and go do something else until it's finished. So once you have Etcher installed, the image and 7-zip, what you're going to do is go to wherever you decided to save the image and take the file. I'll put all 3 of these in the same folder, but you're going to start with the tar.gz file. You're only going to have this one to start with. Right click, 7-zip, open archive. That's going to take you to this tar file. You're going to extract that. I like to extract them all in the same folder. That's going to extract this tar file right here. Now, once that tar file is extracted, you're going to need to extract the image from the tar file. So, right-click, 7-zip, open archive, and remove the image. Extract that. I recommend extracting that into the same folder. So now you have your image file. The next thing you're going to need to do is take your micro SD adapter and put that in your machine with your micro SD card in it. Now, I personally recommend that you use a different micro SD card just so you save your original image, but that's just me. Sometimes I'm overly cautious. But once you have that, go to your SD card. You want to right-click, Format. Then where it says File System, you want to choose exFAT, E-X-F-A-T, not FAT32, not FAT Default, not NTFS, but exFAT, okay? Start that. It will format the SD card, and you will be ready to go. So now that you have your image, you have your card formatted. Only thing you have left to do after that is go to Etcher, and the Etcher program, you want to select the image. You want to select the IMG file, not the tar.gz, but the image file. Open that. This will pretty much detect the SD card off the bat, but if you have multiple SD cards in your machine, or if you have a multiple SD card reader, I'd recommend unplugging all of them, but that's your choice. Simply hit continue and then hit flash. Now this will take a while, so I recommend that you walk away from your machine, go find something else to do, and then come back when it's finished. And then once all that's done, simply take the micro SD chip out, the adapter, plug that back into your Bridge, and simply follow the steps that are listed on the Bridge X website on how to do the the install of the hardware. I hope this was helpful and everybody's successful with this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. That's all I have for today.